Hello everyone, welcome to Chirags SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to check and generate the new SID in Windows Server. So why I need the new SID or different SID from the Windows Server, because here I am going to configure the failover cluster for Windows Server. So I need the different SID for that. So let me check with the SID. So I have three servers here. All the servers means I just clone the server from one template. So means that all the templates, all the servers come from the one template. So let me check the SID. So for the checking the SID, what is the procedure? For checking the SID, open the CMD that will run with the run as administrator, or you can run simple also. That's not an issue. So I'm running that, and I have this command. So this is the command whoami /user. So it will give you the SID. So go to the first server. This is my first server. This IP is different from the second server. So just I'm going to opening the CMD, or you can open the CMD as a run as administrator. So excuse me. So just right click on that, run as administrator. So there is a command for the checking the SID whoami/user. So this is my SID for the first system. Let me go to the second system, second server. whoami/user. Later we will compare all the SIDs. Run as administrator whoami/user. So I'm going to copy the SID. This is my SID. I'm copying from one server. Let this one server 7. Copying this. Let me copy from the server 5. See, both are same. And one more server. I have server 6. My cursor is going down. Let me check. Okay. Now cursor is okay. So server 6. Let me copy that. See, server 7, server 5, and server 6. All the server have same SID. So now I'm going to change the SID. So let me keep the SID server 7. This is server 5, and last one is server 6. So old SID. So this is the old SID. So now generate the new SID in Windows Server. So run, go to run, and just run this command. So right click on the sysprep. So you will get a pop-up, and that pop-up you will get system preparation tool. This is a system prep, and prepares the machine for the hardware independence and cleanup. So whatever the previous SID we have this one, and this will clear. So for the selection, so system cleanup action, there is a two types. So I'm entering the system out of the box enterprise OOBE and Generalize, and there is options to reboot, quit and shut down. So I'm going to with the reboot. So click on OK. So it will take some time to prepare that. So after prepare sysprep, it's working. After that, it will automatically restart, and you have to go to the your virtual machine if you are running on that. So go to your virtual machine and just there is some configuration will come. It will ask you the your some configuration, and then just restart, and you will get a new SID. So I'm waiting for that. So I'm going to run all the three the same thing. Generalize and reboot. All the three I'm running the same thing. So we did this one, and after restart I will show you the options. Wait for some time, and I'm going to pause the video for now. Well, after restarting the server, you will get a this options. Hi there. So there is options your home country and region. So it will change. So I'm going to change my country and region. My country and region India. So I have to go to India. Then remaining things are looks okay. So go to the next. Accept. I have to put the password again. Let me check the password. Double N is there. Let me remove. Okay, so I'm putting admin@123 password for that. There. Let me check again. Admin 1, 2, 3. Let me compare. Yeah, admin@123. Both the password are same. So go to the finish. I'm able to see the windows. So again, we'll go back to the remote system and we'll see. TSC. So one system I'm going. Okay, network configuration also I have to do. Let me go that. I'll control. Delete range. There is alt control delete. Admin 3. So my system is open now. Let me go to the network configuration. Go there. The system was 5. No. So now I can take a remote. Let so I'm in remote system. So we have IP5. Let me check the SID. CMD who am I slash user. So let me copy the SID. This one and so we have in system 5. So I'm going to change. So this is my system name, and there is a SID is changed. So like that SID we can change, and we can generate the new SID. It will work for us. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.